Muy buenas noches. My name is André Palacios Berna. I am a student of Occupation Safety and Health. Um, the section it chose was travel tick. It chose the section because we people plan a trick. They usually at other was already been 30 was they told about the flash and other important details. Explain the selected information. You have to comment and enjoy as we in the Pepe River, where you can also enjoy is different species of fish. You can also learn a little about the history of the village and its tradition, such as chain ale and both brewer was used medicinal plants to make everything for safe transporting you can reader in the community motor taxi. Conclusion: the Pepe River and its community offer a unique experience where nature, culture, and local tradition come together. Visiting this place allows you to enjoy its land campus, learn about ancestral custom and understand the importance of using medicinal plants and within a safe and welcoming environment. Despedida. Thank you so much